How to send big text on Snapchat. So if you want to send big text on Snapchat, then first open up your Snapchat application. Once you open your Snapchat, now go for the chats, which is here on the bottom left, and choose a chat that you would like to send a big text. So simply choose the chat. Once you've chosen the chat, now you need to write something as hello or anything that you would like to send. So once you've chosen, here on the right side of your message bar, you will have two arrows, right? So if you choose the upper arrows, just simply press on the arrow, tap on the arrow, and then simply move your finger upwards and it will be enlarged. And if you move it downwards, then it will go small. So if you want to send big text, you just simply move your hand upwards or your finger upwards, and here you will have the text. So release your finger to send, and that's it. That's how you can send the big text. You can do that with the other text. Again, tap on the arrow and swipe upside or drag it to the upwards. Release to send. So that's it. That's how you can send the big text on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.